Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pochem Academy. Today I will discuss about numericals on Boyle's law from the chapter Study of Gas Law from class 9 ICSE book. Okay, so to apply the Boyle's law, we need to understand that whenever the question asks like that, temperature is constant or temperature is fixed, that time we will apply the Boyle's law. Okay, so Boyle's law will be applicable if temperature is constant. Temperature should be constant. Okay, and in that case we will apply this formula: P1 V1 equal P2 V2. P1 V1 equal P2 V2, where P1 is the initial pressure, P1 is the initial pressure, V1 is the initial volume, V1 is the initial volume, P2 is the final pressure, P2 is final pressure, and V2 is final volume. So from this formula we'll do the numerical on Boyle's law. Okay, so we'll start doing numericals. Okay, so just copy this one. Okay, now let's see the first problem. Okay, the first question is given: a gas occupies 1500 centimeter cube, 1500 centimeter cube at pressure of 720 millimeter of mercury. Okay, find at what pressure its volume is 1000 centimeter cube. Assume temperature is constant throughout the experiment. So as temperature is constant throughout the experiment, so we need to apply the Boyle's law. Okay, so answer will be, as temperature is constant, so Boyle's law will be applied. Okay, now what are the parameters are given here? We have to write initial volume. Now what is the initial volume here? A gas occupies 1500 centimeter cube, so it is the initial volume, which is V1, 1500 centimeter cube at pressure. So it is initial pressure P1 equals 720 millimeter of mercury. Okay, now final volume is given V2. Final V2 is given, it is 1000 centimeter cube. We need to calculate final pressure P1. We need to calculate P1. Here it is P1. We will calculate. So P1 will be calculated. Okay, so as Boyle's law will be applicable, so P1 V1 equal P2 V2. Okay, so just I'm using the problem. So we have already rewrite the problems. So here P1 V1 equal P2 V2. P1 V1 equal P2 V2. So we need to calculate P2. So P2 will be P1 V1 by V2. Okay, so what is P1 here? P1 is 720 mercury pressure, 720 millimeter of mercury, into V1 1500 divided by V2 1000. Now what is the unit of pressure? Here it is mercury pressure, millimeter of mercury. It is given, so it is a unit. So we need to calculate here P2. Let's solve it. What is the P2? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to multiply 720 into 50. We need to multiply 720 into 50. So what we will get? We will get 720 into 50. So what we will get? 36. And here, simple calculation, 360 into 27. 1080 millimeter of mercury. That simple calculation we have done. So it is the final pressure. Final pressure for 1080 millimeter of mercury. So copy this one. We'll go into the next problem. Okay. So it is the next problem. Now here an enclosed gas at constant temperature. So Boyle's law will be applicable at enclosed gas as at a constant temperature. So Boyle's law will be applicable. P1 V1 equal P2 V2. 75 liter. 75 liter is the initial volume. So initial volume here V1 equals 75 liter. Simple. Okay. So here at pressure of 700 millimeter mercury. So P1 initial pressure, it is initial pressure. I think you can do this by your own. So P1 equals 700 millimeter of mercury. Find the pressure of gas. So P2 you have to calculate. Final pressure you have to calculate. V2 is given, it is 100 liter. So we need to calculate the, what is we have to calculate? P2. So we know that P1 V1 equals P2 V2. So P2 will calculate P1 V1 by V2. So P2 equal, what is P1 here? P1 is 700. V1 is 75 by mercury, millimeter of mercury. So 0, 0, 0. So 7 into 75. Okay, 7 into 5, 5 to 5 millimeter of mercury. So it is the final pressure. Okay, so we'll go into the next problem. Okay, copy this. Okay, so we're getting actually here P2 525 mercury. Now I think it is simple. So copy this one. Okay, here it is another problem. Now it is the answer of the last problem. P2 equal 525 millimeter of mercury. Now let's see this one. Calculate the initial pressure of 4.5 liter of dry nitrogen. Initial pressure means P1 we have to calculate. Okay, pressure of 4.5 liter of dry nitrogen. That means V2 initial volume is given 4.5 liter. Initial volume is given 4.5 liter. Okay, if it occupies 3.3 liter at 1.2 atm pressure. Okay, so that means at 1.2 atm pressure, that means it is the final pressure. It is the final pressure. So V2 P2 equal 1.2 atm atmospheric pressure, and and V2 equal 3.3 liter. So Boyle's law will be applicable because here temperature remains constant. Okay, so what we have to do? P1 V1 equal P2 V2. Simple answer. So here from here we will get we have to calculate P1. So P2 V2 by P1. P2 V2 by V1 we need to write. Now here P1, P2 is what? P2 is 1.2, V1 is 4. V2. So V2 equal here 1.2. P2 is 1.2, V2 is 3.3, V1 is 4.5. Okay, now how to write? Simple answer we will do. Simple calculation 12 by 10, 33 by 10. This will be 45 by 10. So 10 will be, you can write like this. So 10 will be cancelled out. 10 will be cancelled out. So here what we can do? 3, 11, 33, 3, 15, 45. Okay. 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15. So what you are getting? 44 by 50. What you are getting? 44 by 50. Now 44 by 50 means what? If you divide here, so it will be point will come here first. So it will be 440. Now 5 into 8, that means 440. That means 440. Again 1840 will be subtracted. So 40 again for this point another 0 will be there, 0.88, and the unit will be atmosphere because the atmospheric unit is given. So here the pressure is 0.88 millimeter. Done. Copy this one. Okay students, I think you have enjoyed the video. So next day we discuss another problems of Charles law, and if you have any doubt regarding this problem, or if you want to solve more problems, then you can comment me over comment box so that I can make another video with more problems on Boyle's law. Okay, so if you like this video, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel so that I can make you more videos on the subject chemistry, any topic over chemistry, and also over the Boyle's law. So thank you for today.